More vessels are joining the search for a missing submersible. A special sonar detected more banging sounds underwater, and those are being tracked and analyzed. The Coast Guard hasn't confirmed the source of those noises, but says there's still hope for the crew.
Oh, this is a search and rescue mission, 100%. We are smack dab in the middle of search and rescue, and we'll continue to put every available asset that we have in an effort to find the Titan and the crew members.
But the search area is twice the size of Connecticut, and the crew could be down to its last 9 hours of oxygen. Officials lost contact with the Ocean Gate Expeditions vessel Sunday morning as it set off to explore the Titanic's wreckage. A British adventurer is on board, along with 2 members of a prominent Pakistani business family, an expert on the Titanic, and Ocean Gate's own CEO. If you want a better idea of how small the submersible is, look at this. I'm 6 feet tall, and the Titan is roughly 9 feet high, 8 feet wide, and about 22 feet long. Think about 5 people inside that, along with all the equipment. They're enclosed in a carbon fiber tube with 1 toilet and no seats, so they sit cross-legged on the floor. The Titan can only be opened from the outside, and unlike a submarine, it cannot leave port and return on its own. A submersible relies on a mothership and crew for launch and recovery.